Our status of rework order has changed from release confirmed PRC. It means that you have confirmed the
Yes.
release order. Now, what is the next step? How to close the order? I told you about the different stages of the order. Now I'll tell you one more status which is commonly used, which is called the TECO, technical completion of order. What will happen when we do the technical completion? We'll take example of this order because it is partially. So I have opened my order in the. Okay, what will happen at the time of order creation? System will reserve some kind of material on basis of your bomb quantity against one's reservation number.
Okay.
This is your reservation number, right?
Okay.
One second, we check its stock position. For this, our bomb was. This is your material. This is your raw material. So what I am going to do, I am just opening the stock position of this particular material. So it will display me the complete scenario here. What is saying that you have a 91 stock and against the
Yes.
91, 290 is reserved. Why this 290 is reserved? Because of my order. I have an order of 100 numbers and my bomb conversion ratio is 1:1. It means that against one slitted coil, I need one steel coil. So system will create a reservation of 100 steel coils,
Okay.
right? Now
Yes.
suppose in some situation it happened that this order, suppose you open this order and system has reserved a quantity, and after that you come to know that you don't want to plant this material. So how to kill that reservation? See, what kind of reservation system does in background. First of all, system book your material against your order. It will create a reservation. In a similar way, it will create one capacity reservation against your order. So in a
Okay.
situation where you decided either you don't want to produce or you want a partial closure of order. You want that okay, I have an order of 100 number. I produced the 50 numbers. Now I don't want to produce anymore. Okay, in this situation, your reservations are still open. How to kill this reservation? So for that purpose, a order status is used, which is called technical completion. So for technical completion, this is my order. It is commonly called TECO.
Take.
Okay. For
Great.
TECO, simply you go to order.
Okay. Setting. Print WT.
Go to function, then restrict processing, and here you can set the complete
Go to
technically.
restrict processing. Complete technical. Yes. Okay.
Okay, I just see the order status. Current order status saying that order is released and it is partially confirmed, right? Now I am going to do TECO for this order, then system will change its status from release to TECO TECO.
Okay.
See, the release status has been vanished. Now the TECO
So
status is activated. Okay, now I'm
can
seeing.
we?
Yeah, can we revoke it?
Okay. Can we revoke that?
Yeah, we can revoke it. Suppose see now order status TECO, then system is giving me message changes is not allowed.
Okay.
But still, if I want to revoke it, I can revoke here from by option revoke technical completion. Okay, if I revoke it, then system will again turn status from TECO to REL.
Okay. Just a minute. Suppose we don't want to give this option to an end user to revoke this technical off. It should be approved through the authorized.
That can be done by using your basis roles and all that authorization metrics. Your basis guy can set this control. You are saying na ki suppose you suppose you have a planning department and you the same order is going to use by the shop floor guys, but in that case you want that planning department should only be allowed to do TECO for this order, right?
I never to do that.
Okay, so this can be done. I mean, your
So,
basis guy can do by using the role functionalities.
the functionality of that.
Okay, so I'm not going to revoke the TECO. The status is still TECO. Now we'll see what is my materials reservation situation in MMBE. This is my material. See earlier here 290.
290.
Okay, because we had done TECO for a order of 100 numbers. That's why system reduced the reservation by 100 numbers. This TECO functionality, Ajay, is applicable to. You'll find this TECO functionality in PP. You'll find this
Like,
TECO functionality in PM. You'll find this TECO functionality in PS also. The concept is
in
similar.
yeah, for the internal we can find this. The internal order.
You'll find in internal order also.
Internal order also.
The purpose of TECO is simple. If you have any reservation in background and you want to close the reservation, then only because the reservation which are against your order. Suppose you created one order and background system created one reservation. So you cannot change that reservation by using your standard MB 21, 22, 23 transaction because that reservation is against the order. You want to change your reservation, then you change your order. You cannot directly change your reservation.